fellow YouTubers, and today I'm going to unbox a package from GameStop. So now, let's get cracking. The only thing I've done was rip off the top. That's all I've done. Alright, so a yellow case. Let's get to that last. Alright, hold on. There's only a case. Okay, looks promising. Alright, what's in here? Scratched up. But it is Spider-Man 2. That's it. Nothing else. I guess that wasn't too bad. Let me check this real quick. Yep, that's all it was supposed to be. More packages arriving tomorrow. Oh yeah, and I'll show you how to get a good cleaning of a disc. Since this one's pretty dirty, has some scratches, I'm going to use a GameStop cleaning disc. Disc cleaner. Yes, it really works. Now let's get cracking. So let's see what the instructions are. Shake well and apply to affected area. Clean. So I just stroke it first, and then I put a little bit on, and then stroke it with that. They're very thin. Yep, that's how they're supposed to be. I think I just rub it. Just rub it first. Good, nice and clean it. And you get just the tiniest bit of a solution. Alright, let me find the affected area. That's most affected. Ooh, that's a lot. I squirted a little bit too much on it. Just all I do is rub. It smells really bad. Hopefully this disc will be clean. Overall, the disc looks a little bit better. I pressed probably 200 times. Clock's still going. It's a little bit dirty, but it'll work. I hope you guys enjoy the video, and goodbye everyone.